Alright guys, welcome back to Task Force Off-Road. In this video, it's going to be a real easy one. I'm going to show you how to clean your winch rope and then reinstall your winch rope back onto your Jeep. So, super easy one. Stay tuned. I'll see you. Alright, first thing I want you to do is pick up your winch rope. Then I want you to fill a bucket with water and Dawn dishwashing detergent. And then throw the rope in the bucket. In hindsight, I probably should have got a bigger bucket. Definitely need a bigger bucket. Now we're gonna let that soak for a bit and we're gonna do some other housekeeping errands on the Jeep. We'll be back in a second. Okay, now to clean the rope, what you basically wanna do is knead the rope inside your nice little soapy water. And that's really about it. Once you knead it, you can then get another barrel here and put the kneaded rope inside the barrel and just go through the entire rope. It's gonna be a time-consuming process, so I'm not gonna make you guys watch it all. But you can see the dirt dripping off of that thing. Alright guys, now to put the winch rope back on, it's pretty simple. You want to set your winch to free spool, and you want to move the drum. So you set your winch to free spool, and then you bring your drum, so this portion right here is coming out, because that's where you're going to feed the rope back through. It's going to go under and back up this way. You're going to want to use some welding wire to get a good grip on it, and I definitely suggest using some needle nose pliers. So we're gonna do that right now. You kind of have to wrestle a little bit. It's a pain in the butt, but you can do it. It's possible. If you don't have welding wire, a zip tie sometimes works pretty good too. Keep going. Just give yourself more slavery. Yeah. Alright, so we reset with a zip tie. Now we're going to give it another shot. So you guys saw in our last clip, it took Necto and I both to be able to pull this thing through. So what we actually used was a piece of 550 cord. This stuff is super strong, and I wish I thought of it sooner. Yeah, so we got it to pull through. Pain in the butt. We used 550 cord, and now we have to pull it back through with a little puck. I believe you put it shaped that way, but we put the puck in the rope, and now Necto, pull that rope back. So now we pull the rope back through. Keep going. There we go. Pull nice and tight. All right, guys. So to start putting your winch rope in, what you want to do is you need another vehicle or like a tree or something if you have a tree saver. I'm using Necto's truck here. Now we have our Factor 55 flat link E to a shackle into his trailer hitch. Super safe. Put your shackles on, tighten it all the way, go back about a quarter of a turn so it doesn't get locked up. So now we're gonna have Necto pull forward a little bit, get all of the slack out of the system. Once all the slack is out, he's gonna throw his truck in park. Once his truck is in park, he's then gonna get in the Jeep and steer it so we don't hit anything because the Jeep's gonna be moving forward. That's gonna stay there, and I'm gonna be controlling the winch. So that's how that's gonna work. It's gonna be great. And you only have to do like, I don't know, the first like few spools and then you can freehand it. But you want the first like couple coils to be super tight. That way it's all nice and dandy for when you're recovering yourself. So we're gonna get to it. Guys, that's all for this video. Super simple, easy, and I'm happy to get the winch back all set and actually functional. I'm having a little bit of a rust issue here. Anyone know why that's possible? This is supposed to be aluminum. I really don't know why. Anyways. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. Like, share, comment, subscribe to all typical YouTube jazz. I'll see you in the next one.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right.